Okay students, so let's see next question. Question number 4 is, if you are able to solve these questions, then pause the video and try to solve. Question number 4 says, if the perimeter of a square is 48 meter, then what is the length of its sides? Okay, so we have been given perimeter of square. Perimeter of square we have been given 48 meter, and we have to find the sides we have to find the length of its sides. Okay, so we know that perimeter we know that perimeter of square is equal to what? Is equal to 48 meter. Now you know that 4 into a is equal to 48 meter. साइड का कितना होता है? साइड का 4 टाइम्स होता है पेरीमीटर. ओके, सो साइड कितना होगा? फिर साइड विल बी स्टूडेंट्स डिवाइडेड बाय 4, so answer will be 12. Okay, so 12 meter is its side. Suppose this is perimeter, this is square. Okay, and one side is 12 meter, so what will the perimeter will be 48, 4 times of 12. So if 48 is given, so we will divide it by 4. This is our answer. Now we will solve question number 5. Question number 5 says, a 24 meter long wire netting is used as a fence for a rectangular plot. Okay, in this plot we have used a 24 long wire. So if the length of this plot is 7 meter, what is its breadth? So we have been given, students, we have been given perimeter. Okay, perimeter we have been given 24 meter, because if you fence मतलब चारों तरफ उसके ऐसे आप कवर लगाओगे. सो कवर लगाओगे तो कितने मीटर का कवर लगाया आपका? चारों तरफ लगाया आपका फेंस 24 meter. So this is your perimeter. Now length is also given. Length is 7 meter, so we have to find its breadth. Okay, we have to find its breadth. Now you know that this is 7 meter, so this will be also 7 meter. 7 and 7 14. ओके, 14 में से 10 बच गया, तो 5 इधर होगा और 5 इधर होगा. मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स, we know that perimeter is equal to what? 2 length plus breadth. So perimeter we know 24 and 2. Length is what? Length is 7 plus breadth we don't know. Okay, so here it will be 12 is equal to 7 plus b. Okay, if you did not understand, let me write here again. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 7 plus b. ये जो 2 इधर मल्टीप्लाई में था, डिवाइड में इधर आ गया, तो क्या हो गया? It became 12. Now 7 plus b. So b will be, students, 12 minus 7. Okay, 12 minus 7 means what? 5. Answer will be 5 meter. Okay, answer will be 5 meter. Okay, now let's solve question number 6. Question number 6 says, a square park is bordered by a jogging track. Okay, suppose this is a square park. Okay, let me color it by green color. So now students, if you are able to solve, please pause this video and try to solve. There is one square park and it is bordered by a jogging track. Okay, here it is, suppose it is jogging track. Here you may have seen that outside of park there is a jogging track. Okay, now there is a jogging track. The total length of the track is 200 meter. So you can see that suppose it is a, then what is the value of 4a? Value of 4a is 200 meter, because total length will be what? Total length will be 4a. Okay, what is the length of each side of the track? We have to find the each side of the track. So it will be 200 by 4. So answer will be 50 meter. This is our answer. So we can write here that each side of the track will be 50 meter. Okay. Okay students, so let's solve question number 7 now. Question number 7 says Chaman wants to fence his field. So suppose he has one field. If you are able to solve this question, please pause and solve. 8 meter by 7 meter. So length is 8 and breadth is 7. Okay, its length is 8 and this is 8 meter, and this is what? This is 7 meter. Now the cost of fencing is 5 rupees per meter. How much money does he need to fence his entire field? So let's see that we have been given what? We have been given length. We have been given, okay, length we have been given 8 meter. We have been given breadth 7 meter. We have to find we have been given cost rupees 5 per meter. Okay, per meter we have been given. We have to find cost of fencing. We have to find the cost of fencing. Fencing means पूरा कवर करना है हमको फील्ड को. तो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट स्टूडेंट्स पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर मीन्स पूरा आउटर एरिया कितने डिस्टेंस है, कितना मीटर है. सो 2 लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ. सो 2 लेंथ इज 8 and breadth is 7. So it will be 2 multiplied by 15. Okay, so it is 30 meter. Perimeter is what? Perimeter is 30 meter. So what will be the cost of fencing? Cost of fencing will be 1 मीटर का बताओ. 1 मीटर का अगर 5 रुपीस लगता है तो 30 मीटर का कितना लगेगा? 30 मीटर का लगेगा 30 मीटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय रुपीस 5. सो आंसर विल बी व्हाट? 150 rupees. This will be the total cost of fencing. Okay, total cost of fencing. This is our answer. Question number 8 is your homework, students. Paritosh wants to face his dash dash. Okay, same like question 7. Solve similarly like question 7. This is your homework. Same like question 7. it will be solved same like question 7. Okay, now question number 9. Okay, let's solve question number 9 now. So Surinder and Rampal bought a 55-meter long wire. Okay, they have both brought 55-meter long wire. सुरेंदर ने भी लाया है 55-meter लॉन्ग वायर और रामपाल ने भी इतना ही लाया है अपने फील्ड को फेंस करने के लिए, अपने फील्ड को घेरा लगाने के लिए. फेंस मतलब घेरा लगाना. सो हु विल बी एबल टू फेंस हिज फील्ड इंटायरली. क्या सुरेंदर का जो फील्ड है क्या 55 मीटर से छोटा है या फिर रामपाल का फील्ड 55 मीटर से छोटा है. अगर छोटा होगा या इक्वल होगा तभी वो फेंस कर पाएंगे, नहीं तो पूरे तरीके से फेंस नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट द perimeter of Surinder field. What will be the perimeter of Surinder field? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Let's solve perimeter of Rampal's field. Okay, Surender's field. It will be 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay, so length कितना है रामपाल के फील्ड का 15 एंड breadth है 12. So total हो गया स्टूडेंट्स 27. Here 2 लेंथ कितना है 17 एंड breadth कितना है 13. So total हो गया 2 multiplied by 30. इसका जो फील्ड है वो है 60 मीटर और इसका कितना है 54 मीटर. सो स्टूडेंट्स आंसर इज सुरेंदर विल बी able to fence his field completely. Okay, Surinder will be able to fence his field entirely. वो अपना खेत को पूरी तरीके से घेरा लगा लेगा. ठीक है, और रामपाल नहीं लगा सकता अभी क्योंकि रामपाल को अभी 5 मीटर लॉन्ग वायर और चाहिए और उसके पास अभी है नहीं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज योर आंसर. लेट्स सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th नाउ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 says every morning Mona cycles in the playground along with her father. Okay, playground में वो खेलती है अपने फादर के साथ. The rectangular ट्रैक का शेप कैसा है रेक्टेंगुलर है. इट इज रेक्टेंगुलर शेप. ओके, सो दिस इज रेक्टेंगुलर शेप. 400 meter long. It is students 400 meter long and it is 200 meter wide. It is 200 meter wide and 400 meter long. So what is the first question? What is the perimeter of the track? Please pause this video and try to solve this question. It is very easy. Try to solve A, B and C and then see answer. Perimeter will be 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. First we'll sum the length and breadth. Length is 400, breadth is 200, so total it is 600. Okay, so answer is 1200 meter. 1200 meter is your breadth. Now question number B. How much distance does Mona cover after completing two laps of the track? 2 laps, अगर 2 चक्कर लगाएगी तो कितना होगा? अगर एक, सो सॉल्व सेकेंड का बी. ओके, so students, distance of 2 laps will be 2 multiplied by perimeter. ओके, पेरीमीटर के ही जितने तो बड़ा है पूरा डिस्टेंस. सो 2 multiplied by कितना 1200 मीटर. सो आंसर इज 1400 meter. Okay, this is 1400 meter. Now question number 10, see how much distance does her father cover after completing 5 laps of the track. अगर 5 मीन्स क्या, आपको 5 का मल्टीप्लाई करना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 5 लैप्स. एक लैप्स का डिस्टेंस हमने फाइंड कर लिया है, पेरीमीटर चारों तरफ का. अब हम 5 का, तो होगा स्टूडेंट्स 5 इंटू पेरीमीटर. ओके, सो 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1200 मीटर. सो आंसर विल बी 6000 meter, or you can say 6 kilometer. So his father runs 6 kilometers daily. Yes, every evening. Okay, his father runs 6 kilometer and she runs 1.4 kilometer. So that is the answer. I hope you understood.